Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. You can check the amount of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. As you can see, this one does, and if you open the watch face menu, you can see multiple watch faces that display steps. For example, I believe this one, and I think you can also edit the watch face. So if you tap on edit button and go to the not style, well, this one only allows you to change the style, so never mind. How about, for example, this one? This one allows us to change the complications, basically widgets. We can tap on one and see if we can select steps. We can't. Okay, never mind then. I thought we can basically select these steps, but this one doesn't allow it. So it looks like only certain watch faces display the steps basically. So it's gonna be the first one, the second one, and the last one. And I believe you can find some more in the watch face store in the MidFitness application, because there is an online store for watch faces there. Okay, so another way to check the steps is to open the activity app, and you can do it by pressing the crown button to open the menu, find the activity icon and tap on it. And here we have the step counter, right here, the orange one. And if you scroll down, you can also see the graph for the steps, the daily progression. And if your watch is paired with a phone, you can also check the information on the phone. So we can bring the phone that is paired with our watch, zoom out the camera, so you can see the whole screen of the phone, something like this. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the MiFitness application. And on the health page, you can scroll down and you should see the steps. Right here, you can tap on it and you're able to see more detailed information like daily, weekly and monthly progress. And of course, once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.